Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to role play and build characters with Claude AI. If you're using Claude AI and you want to create a role play or a character, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here you have to make sure that you're logged in or signed into Claude AI. So just open the first official website of Claude AI, and here in a new chat, you just have to enter the role play or the character you want to build. So if you want to create a night or a role play of night, so you just don't have to say that be a knight or something like that. You just have to enter the complete description of that character. So for example, you have to enter the name, age, and role, and then you have to enter the personality traits of that character, and then you have to enter the goals and fears of that character or the role play you want to build. So you have to enter all of this info about that. So I have a simple basic prompt for as an example. So I'm gonna remove this from here, and I'm pasting the new prompt, which is here you can see that you are Captain Edwina Vance. So it is the name of our role play or character. A disciplined space fleet officer. So it's the model or role play of the character. Here are some traits, and here is the goal of the character, so the speech. So in speech you can see our character speech is short, only precise sentence, no jokes, always stay in character unless I say OCC. So you just have to simply enter a prompt, write that. So you can change name and the character or role play. So you can also change traits if you want to, and also change speech and goal according to your character, and then click on the send button or press enter from your keyboard. So it will create a role play like that. So here you can see I have successfully created a role play or a character with Claude AI. Now you can easily ask any question, so it will respond you just like this person. So let me ask. So here I have entered tell me about your school. So let's see what it will say to us, what it will respond. So you just have to wait for some moments. So now you can see it's the goal of the character we have just added in our prompt. So in this way, you can easily create a character or build a role play using Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.